For the second part of this series on hiring an accountant, I'm going to explore credentials. And what do all these letters mean anyway? Uncredentialed. No credentials are required to be a bookkeeper, which may be perfect if your books are not complicated. They may be less expensive, but require some vetting. If you're looking for skills, there will be a number of uncredentialed professionals who possess those skills, and a number who don't. I recommend you follow up on references, maybe give them a test or trial period. Or you might try to find a CPA firm who has uncredentialed staff. You may get good value for the price, knowing that an expert is supervising and vouching for your bookkeeper. And as far as taxes are concerned, it's easy to obtain a PTIN. That same uncredentialed person could prepare your taxes for you. One caveat, a tax preparer with just a PTIN is not allowed to represent you in front of the IRS. If you expect to be audited by the IRS, I recommend you start with an EA. Number 2, EA stands for Enrolled Agent. This means that they had to pass the IRS's special enrollment exam with 3 parts of 100 multiple questions each, requiring approximately 250 hours of study to pass. If you are a small business owner whose main concern is tax situations, these experts may be the best choice for the price. Bonus points if they can do your bookkeeping too. Having them involved in your day-to-day transactions may be your best chance to avoid any surprises when it is tax time. EAs are also required to take continuing professional education, CPE, but not nearly as much as a CPA. Number 3, CPA stands for Certified Public Accountant. The road to this certification is long. It requires a bachelor's degree followed by 30 more hours of college credit or a master's, depending on which state they're licensed in. Then, one must pass 4 tests of 4 hours each all within 1 year. Each section covers the material of 3 to 4 college-level courses and an estimated 100 hours of study time. It is an ordeal often compared to the bar exam or a medical licensing exam. Then, they need at least 2 years of work in public accounting before a supervising CPA can sign off on the newly minted CPA's experiences and skills. After that, the CPA will usually specialize, usually in taxes or auditing, but the options are almost endless. For example, I chose to specialize in nonprofits and governmental accounting, which has less of a tax focus and more audit skills, but gets into 990s, single audits, grant accounting, and fund accounting, specialities that the average CPA has little knowledge of. Of all the accounting designations, only CPAs can sign off on audits and attestations. You're lucky if you don't know what this means. People like me do, so you don't have to. They're not tax audits, they're financial statement audits. A CPA will also generally be the most qualified to help you prepare for those audits as well. One more note. For the most part, the states have reciprocity with each other, meaning that a CPA who is licensed in one state may provide services in any state. There are exceptions, of course, but it doesn't mean that you are, for the most part, free to go shopping for CPAs anywhere that tickles your fancy. Some attorneys are also enrolled to do taxes and may be a great decision for you if you're operating in a very thorny tax area and are likely to need expert representation in front of the IRS or the tax courts. They are also smart choices for accounting related to areas such as trusts and estates. As you would imagine, their services do not come cheap. You probably won't hire them to do your day-to-day bookkeeping, although there is no reason that they cannot. There are obviously a number more designations within accounting, such as Certified Fraud Examiner or Certified Management Accountant, but for those of you looking for basic tax and bookkeeping solutions, I recommend the options above. Thanks for listening, and next, I'll be giving you some clues about where you can start your search.